Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, Jamaica made it 2 wins from as many starts after defeating Grenada 6-1 at the Corona James Stadium in St. George's in Group C of their CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers on Sunday. Karen Madden reports.
After their 4-0 win over Bermuda last Thursday, the Jamaicans were hoping to do further damage on Grenada, who had been dropped 9-0 by the Dominican Republic in their first game. Head coach Vin Blaine made 3 changes to the starting 11 from last Thursday's home win, with Sydney Schneider replacing Rebecca Spencer in goal and Gabrielle Gale and Tiffany Cameron coming in for Dominique Bondeflaza and Sade Alalomakon. In a bruising encounter, injuries drew early attention as the Reggae girls are only able to break the deadlock midway the first half. Cameron eased the Jamaican nerves when she put the visitors in front in the 27th minute. It was despite not sealing the group in Sunday's game, head coach Vin Blaine believes there is time to address that.
We have a good period, to take care of this. April will come back again. And as I said before, you can see today what you're off. I think definitely off.
Ladies and gentlemen,
we had a chance. They were playing comeback. You can see they were behind the ball all the time. And they were making mistakes again in defense. They got a goal. But 6 goals in any game would be a good score.
The Reggae girls are second in Group C on maximum 6 points, the same as the Dominican Republic, who lead on goal difference. The next window of the qualifiers will be in April when Jamaica face the Cayman Islands, who are without a win, on April 9, and host the Dominican Republic on April 12. Only the group leaders advanced to July's CONCACAF Championships in Mexico. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.